Today I am talking about Nmap walkthrough on Triacme. So let's get started. I am open here browser and go to Triacme site. Yes. Triacme.com. Open it. Login. I am already logged in. Nmap. Read here. And a part of the red primer series. Intro to scanning. This CTF are based on red primer CTF type. Okay. So first you check your VPN connection is connected or not. So I'm going go to here and this time my VPN connection is not connected. So first time connect the VPN, go to terminal, type here my file in desktop. So I'm typing here cd desktop. Desktop. Now here type sudo open VPN and file name. File name is babula.ovpn. So babula.ovpn. OVPN. Now it's completed. Now go to browser and refresh the. Now my VPN connection is successfully connected. So this is the task. I'm going to here. So what are the tasks first? Nmap is Nmap is an incredible vulnerable tool in the world of PT. In this room, we will cover the basic of using Nmap to effectively scan a target, gaining insight code for the attack. Deploy the machine. Okay. First task is deploy the machine. So click here and wait whenever your IP is not come. Here no need of bouncer. Machine deployed. So next yes, now my machine is IP is this. Now I am going to next task Nmap page. So read here Okay. And first question is first, how do you access the help menu? So it's officially -H. Next question is often referred as a stealth scan. What is the first switch? Listen or send. So it's a -SS and you are using this. Here are all services outcomes. And we move next question. Not quite as useful, but how about a UDP scan? So when we are using UDP scan, we are use -SU officially. And next question, what about operating system detection? So -O simply. You can use small o or capital, doesn't matter. Next we move, how about service version detection? So officially -S, capital V. Next question. Most people like to see some output to know that their scan is actually doing thing. What is the verbosity flag? So it's a -V. What about very verbose? So -VV. Sometimes same output is a common document format can be really handy for reported. How do we save output in XML format? So use icon O capital X. Accuracy scan can be nice when others scans just are not getting the output that you want to. Really don't care how loud you are. What if the switch or enable this? So it's a aggressive scan, so we use icon A. Here all services version and ports are comes when you are using aggressive scan. So we are next question. What do I set the timing to max level? Sometimes called instant. So you can max level is -T5. What about if I want to scan a specific port? When you are using a specific port, you use -P. When you are using every port, -P like that. Here also asking, how about if I want to scan every port? So you use -P hyphen. Okay. Next question. What if I want to enable using a script from the Nmap scripting engine? For this, just include the first part of the switch without the specific of the what script to run. Here is saying specific of what script to run. So when you are using specific like that, server scan, version scan, so you use hyphen script. And we move next question. What if I want to run script out of the vulnerability category? So here is specify vulnerability category, we find a script. So you use hyphen script one. So all vulnerability category script comes. So next question is, what should I include if don't want to pin the host? So basically -PN. So these are the simple questions and theory based. Okay. Now, so guys, we move next question, Nmap scanning. So here we read, perform some basic Nmap scanning and learn to read through the result. So First question is, let's go ahead and start with the basic and performance SYNSCAN. SYNSCAN, that mean -ss on the box provided. What will this command be without the host IP address? So you can, here I'm already scanned for your time saving. So nmap, -ss and IP. So you can see here two ports are open, 22 SSH and 80 HTTP. So here is comes nmap-ss SYNSCAN. And next question is, after scanning this, how many ports do we find open under 1000? So here are how many ports are open? Two ports are open, 22 and 80. Now we move next. What communication protocol is given for these ports following the port number? So these ports are TCP 22 and 80. So here it comes TCP. Next question is, perform a service version detection scan. What is the version of the software running on port 22? So I'm and press enter. Wait. Yes. So service version. So service 22. This is the Open SS 6.6.1 p and 12 OS. This is the version. So put here. And next question, perform an aggressive scan. What flag is not set under the result port 80? Here is asking which flag are not set. So use here aggressive scan. Aggressive scan. -A and enter. Yes guys, check here. Here HTTP only flag not set. Okay, HTTP only flag which are not set here. So here it comes HTTP only. And next question, perform a script scan of vulnerabilities associated with the box. What denial of service does attack this box susceptible to? Answer with the name for the vulnerability that is given as the section title. In the scan output, one scan can take a while to complete. In case you get stuck, the answer for this question has been provided in the end. However, it's good to still learn this scan and get used to using it, as it can be invisible. Here scan a vulnerability which are available here. So use -script and vuln vulnerability for vulnerability. So went to terminal and I am already here. Nmap -script world. This is IP. And here are Hence, HTTP http://check. Only this vulnerability available here on DOS attack. So that is the right answer for us. So here paste and submit. So these are question are solved. These are basic question of Nmap. So guys, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.